Welcome back. In this video, we're going over the tax extension. Your taxes are no longer due on April 15th. It has been extended because of coronavirus, and I'll be telling you all about it in this video. This is the first video in a series that I'm doing about coronavirus and about taxes, options for small business owners, how everything affects you, all of the rules, the paid sick leave, tax credits, stimulus, all of it. So be sure to subscribe if you're new here and click the bell to be notified of my future videos. Those will all be coming out over the next few days. And if you're new here, my name's Amanda and you're watching The Business Finance Coach, where I simplify all the technicalities of business to help you succeed, because I truly believe that the world needs what you have to offer. And you shouldn't be held down by all of these little technicalities that are actually here to support you in a civilized society. Check out the description below for links to other videos, my free trainings, and programs. Now let's jump into the tax extension. So here we are at the irs.gov/coronavirus. Now, this is a good website to be aware of because the stimulus payments are coming through the irs.gov. Now you can see that the tax deadline has changed. Deadline to file and pay is extended to July 15th, 2020. So what does that mean? That means that you do not have to do anything. They've literally just moved the April 15th deadline to the July 15th deadline. So that means that you don't have to file your return or pay taxes if you owe taxes until July 15th. This includes estimated tax payments, first quarter of 2020, January, February, March is due April 15th. Now that's also extended to July 15th. Now I know that can be confusing. How do you know if you owe taxes or not? Well, generally, if you're an employee, you usually have a refund. And so there's no need to wait. You're just waiting on getting your money back. But if you've got to get things organized, obviously this just gives you more time not to worry about it. The IRS talked about this on their website. They understand that taxes stress people out and they want to help. They don't want you to be extra stressed out about taxes during this time. Now you can file an extension to extend the amount of time you have. It's typically a 6-month extension, which takes us to October 15th. That being said, I highly recommend getting into an online DIY tax software, and I have a whole series of videos going over Free Tax USA, the software I highly recommend doing here. And at least getting started, entering your numbers, you can use estimates and bookmark your pages to go back and enter your final numbers once you get them. But that way you at least know where you stand and you're not dreading it. A lot of times people are dreading taxes only to find out that they're actually not in that bad of a situation. Maybe they even have a refund and there was no need to be avoiding it. So check out my video. I have other videos showing you step by step how to get started in Free Tax USA. And literally you can follow my video and pause it as you go and go step by step. You'll see it's really not that difficult. I even had a new comment on that video which just came out, someone saying it literally wasn't as hard as they thought it would be to do their own taxes. Even if you're going to hire a pro, even if you're not sure if you need to extend right now or not, you can just do that to get started and it can really take some of the pressure off. But that's all. You can see other information that I will be going over: paid family leave that small businesses have to provide, exceptions to having to provide that. However, you might want to try because there's a really great tax credit that has been enacted to support people doing that. Granted, you do have to get the money up front. And on that note, I'll be going over loans and grant options as well. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the bell to be notified of those videos if that's something you're wanting information about over the next few days. In the description below, you'll find links to free spreadsheet templates, trainings, the coronavirus video series, as well as the DIY tax filing series and videos. And yeah, be sure to like, share this if you know someone who needs this or anything else I cover. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I'd love to see you in the next video. Bye.